Hello guys, my name is Akhil and welcome back to my channel. So on the last video I explained you how to install a GSI images on the Redmi Note 3, and this time I came with a different idea. So this time I'm just going to explain you what all the bugs that you will be able to see after the installation of the GSI image files on your devices. So this is my Redmi Note 3 and it is installed with the Havoc GSI image, and I will go into settings and will show you the all about the systems. So going into the system, and here it has said that the model is the PHH Treble Vanilla. So you guys will be able to know that it is an Treble based ROM for the Redmi Note 3. So if you don't know how to install a GSI images on the unofficial Treble supported phones, I say you go and watch my last video. So this time we are just going to look at the bugs that you will be able to encounter after the installation of the GSI images on the Redmi Note 3. Mind you guys, these bugs are only meant for the Redmi Note 3. These bugs you won't be able to encounter in other devices. So let us start first. The first main bug that you will be able to see is the issue with the Wi-Fi. Always, whatever you do, the Wi-Fi won't turn on. Here I have actually turned on the Wi-Fi over here, but still, as you can see, it hasn't been turned over here, and Wi-Fi is sort of broken over here. Whatever you do, you can't actually connect to your Wi-Fi network. So after the installation of the GSI images like this, you have to completely depend on your mobile network itself. The next bug that I was able to encounter is the Bluetooth. For the Bluetooth also, it is the same case as the Wi-Fi. It is also broken over here. It turns on sometimes and does not turn on sometimes, and sometimes it turns on and won't even pair with other devices. As you can see, it has turned over here, but it won't be able to pair with other devices. So Bluetooth is also sort of broken over here. Why did I say it is sort of broken? Because I saw it working sometimes but not working all the times. So the next bug is with the hardware keys that you will be able to see on the Redmi Note 3. As you can see, the backlight support of the Redmi Note 3 has been gone when you boot into these sort of devices. So you can see that the backlight is not coming up even when you hit. I actually searched for it on the settings. No, it is not off. It is due to in driver issues. So the next issue is the issue with the reset bar. So on these sort of ROMs, the reset button on the Redmi Note 3 is mapped as the option button. If you go into messages, we usually take the options from here, but you can tap on here and it will open the options. All of you guys will be thinking that it's a good deal. No, because currently there are no recent task button which is available over here. I try to tap and hold this key. No. I try to tap and hold the center key. No. I try to tap and hold the back key. No. So no recent button is available over here. The next main bug you will be able to encounter over here that there exists no camera applications on this ROM. Mind you guys, maybe some other GSI image files might ship with an camera app, but unfortunately this didn't turn up with. I don't know, as the developer didn't add it, or is it due to a bug on this phone. The next issue that you will be able to see is that the brightness bar. Actually, the brightness won't adjust. Here you can see I'm sliding up and down and still there is no change on the brightness. Even if I put it on the maximum low, still it is on the full brightness still it is at the full brightness. So these all are the issues that you will be able to encounter while you are on these sort of ROMs. The next issues that I tried so the bugs was over here. As you can see, even the ambient display is available over here. Even if you try to turn it on, then also the ambient display won't come up. Those all things are sort of broken over here. I know it is for some sort of AMOLED display. Our Redmi Note 3 does not support AMOLED display, but I have seen the Pixel ROMs which actually supports the ambient display and all over here. And most of the stuffs which you can customize over here is completely broken. And guys, so these all are the bugs that you will be able to encounter while you boot a GSI image file on your Redmi Note 3. I hope the developer fixes all these issues very soon. I'm very thankful to that developer for providing at least a single ROM which supports the Treble for the Redmi Note 3. In future we might see some bug fixing happening to this device, so if you want to see those, just try to click at the subscribe button so that you can always see all my new videos. And thank you guys, thank you for watching. And if you don't know how to install GSI images on Redmi Note 3 or any other devices which supports the Project Treble unofficially, go watch my last video. I will put it in the description box. Try to watch that. And thank you guys, thank you again for watching. Please try to hit that red subscribe button. Thank you.